Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. So today I'm up with an amazing video after so long. So let's start the video. So you guys must be thinking that why this gap. Actually I was very much into Instagram these days, brand collaborations ke liye, and was not that active on YouTube. Hopefully I will be uploading more and more videos on YouTube now. So today's video is all about a haul video which is from Ajio. So recently Ajio का sale चल रहा था and I ordered many things from Ajio. Like पैसा सब खत्म हो गया ऑब्वियसली आपको बैकग्राउंड तो नया लग रहा होगा, मेरा हेयर भी नया लग रहा होगा, मेरा फेस भी नया लग रहा होगा, इतना जो गैप हो गया. आई एम क्वाइट लाइक feeling sorry that I was not that active, but I promise, no, promise नहीं करते हैं. 3, 2, 1. So I got many dresses from Ajio. आज मैं आपको कुछ dresses का videos बनाऊंगी. अगर मैं सब का बना ली तो it will be a 1 hour वाला video. So I'll just show you the dresses and the fittings and how it look on me. If you want to know the price and the links for the dresses, you can comment below. I will be sending you the links directly. And yes, let's get into the video. And wait. One more important thing. Please do like, comment and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel guys. And yes, do let me know आपको और कौन सा video आपको चाहिए, like related to my makeup, skincare, dresses, anything you want. So this is the first dress I got and it is the floral printed wala dress which is very nice and I'm just loving the dress. It's very comfortable and the sleeves are very nice and yes, you will love the dress. And iska price and link agar chahiye ho to you can comment. So the second one I'm having is this cute floral print dress which is a mini dress which is having a very cute neckline. I'm just going to add this belt and yes, you can see it looked very nice. You can see how beautifully it turned out and yes, I'm just going to add a bag also. You can see in this video the entire look is here. So yes. And the next one is the t-shirt dress which is very comfortable. Like I cannot explain you guys, the material is very nice. It is very comfortable. You can wear it regularly like in summer, winter or rainy season. It is very comfortable for all the seasons. I'm just in love with the dress and yeah, I will highly recommend you to buy this one. And yes, you can see the full look over here. I'm just adding a bag into it, into the entire look to enhance the look. So you can add any kind of bag. I'm wearing a vest bag over here. So last dress for this episode is this maxi dress which is of pure cotton and yes, it is best for summers. You are going to love. And as because it is a white color, the floral prints are just coming out nicely and yes, you are going to love this one. My personal favorite is this one. I am just loving this. I cannot wait to wear this in a very special occasion. So I have just styled these beautiful dresses with some bags and all. So do let me know in the comment section if you like the video and do let me know if you want to see any other hauls. So I'll be doing it. Thank you for watching my videos. Do like, comment and share and do subscribe to my channel. And yes, love you all.